Hello students, in last video we saw logarithmic differentiation, okay, and the function is in the form of y is equal to fx raised to fx, that means same function, okay. Now in place of fx, either it is in base or it is in power, some other function like gx, hx, clear? So this type of questions we have to solve in this way. So this is the theory, y is equal to fx raised to gx. One type of question, log x raised to log x, that means base is log x and power is also log x, that means they are same. Suppose we take log x as fx, then log x is also fx, means fx raised to fx. Now in place of log base or power, take another function, okay, another function, it may be x, sin x, cot inverse x, whatever, okay. So y is equal to fx raised to gx, इसका क्या मतलब है, fx अलग फंक्शन रहेगा, gx अलग फंक्शन रहेगा. जैसे एग्जांपल के लिए fx को हमने log x लिया तो gx को आप sin x ले लिए, तो log x raised to क्या हो गया, sin x. बोथ आर फंक्शन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x, so that we can say they are in the form of fx raised to gx, okay. So same method, variable raised to variable, so taking log on both the side, taking log on both the side. So log y is equal to log fx raised to gx, fx raised to gx. Now log m raised to n, log m raised to n is equal to m log n, clear? n log m. Now differentiation with respect to x, clear? So d by dx log y is equal to d by dx gx log of fx, log of fx, clear? Now gx is first function and log fx is second function. Differentiation of log y with respect to x, 1 upon y dy by dx. Now first function differentiation of second function, clear, plus second function differentiation of first function d by dx gx, clear? So we apply product rule. Now cross multiplication, so dy by dx is equal to y gx. Now see beta, d by dx log fx, we know the differentiation of log x, not log fx, so take fx as t, log t, differentiation of log t with respect to t, 1 upon t, 1 upon t means 1 upon fx into d by dx log fx, d by dx fx, clear, plus log fx as it is, and differentiation of gx with respect to x is g dash x, g dash x, clear? Now differentiation of fx is f dash x, so dy by dx is equal to, now y, the value of y is fx raised to gx in bracket gx, differentiation of fx is f dash x upon fx plus g dash x into log of fx. Clear? So whenever we have given variable raised to variable and these variables are different, then dy by dx is equal to fx raised to gx, gx f dash x upon fx plus g dash x log fx. क्लियर? तो इसमें क्या करना है, वही है सेम बेटा, लॉग लेना है, पावर सामने आएगी, gx सामने आ जाएगा, फिर हम एज इट इज़ क्या लगाएंगे, प्रोडक्ट रूल. क्लियर? और ये बन गई बेटा ट्रिक. अब इसी में आप डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज़ रख सकते हैं. जैसे एग्जाम्पल के लिए अब यही ले लेते हैं, d बाय डी एक्स एक्स रेज टू साइन एक्स, एक्स रेज टू साइन एक्स. दैट मीन्स यहाँ देख लेते हैं, x raised to sin x, d by dx x raised to sin x. It means x is equal to fx and sin x is gx. So you have to put the value. So our answer is fx raised to gx. Fx raised to gx means x raised to sin x. X raised to sin x. In bracket gx. Gx means sin x. F dash x means differentiation of x. Differentiation of x is 1 and upon fx, fx is x. It means sin x into 1 upon x plus g dash x means differentiation of sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x and log fx. Log fx is x means log x. Clear? So you can do by trick, okay, in competitive examination. Clear? See the questions. So whenever variable raised to variable, if they are same or if they are not same, first of all, taking that function as y, then taking log on both the side, okay, and then apply law of log and then differentiate. Clear? See the question. Now the question is x, see this one also, x raised to sin x. We have to differentiate x raised to sin x. Now x is variable and sin x is also variable. It means variable raised to variable. Okay. So solution, let y is equal to x raised to sin x. Y is equal to x raised to sin x. Now variable raised to variable means taking log on both the side. Taking log on both the side. So log y is equal to log x raised to sin x. Log x raised to sin x. Now apply law of log. Log m raised to n is equal to n log m means sin x into log x. Right? Now differentiation with respect to x. Clear? So d by dx log y is equal to d by dx sin x into log x. Now sin x is first function, log x is second function. Clear? Now apply product rule. So differentiation of log y is with respect to x 1 upon y dy by dx. Now apply the formula. first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Clear? Now cross multiplication. So dy by dx is equal to y in bracket sin x. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x log x, and differentiation of sin x is cos x. Clear? Now put the value of y. So y is equal to x raised to sin x upon x plus cos x into log x. Cos x into log x. Clear? तो क्या किया? x raised to sin x था, take that function as y, taking log on both the side. log y is equal to log x raised to sin x. पावर कहाँ जाएगी? सामने. फिर इन दोनों में क्या लगाएंगे हम? प्रोडक्ट रूल. डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ लॉग y हमेशा याद रखिए क्या होता है? 1 अपॉन वाई डी वाई बाय डी एक्स, और लास्ट में y की वैल्यू रख देना. क्लियर? नाउ टेक सम मोर क्वेश्चंस. सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Yes, question number 2. Cos x raised to x. Cos x raised to x. Again see, variable raised to variable. So let y is equal to cos x raised to x. Y is equal to cos x raised to x. Clear? Now taking log on both the side. Log on both the side. Clear? So log y is equal to log cos x raised to x. Log cos x raised to x, log m raised to n. So apply law of log. क्या होता है? log m raised to n and log m. So x log cos x log cos x. Now differentiation with respect to x. So differentiation of log y. Differentiation of log y, 1 upon y dy by dx. d upon dx x log cos x. x log cos x. Clear? Now take x as first function and log cos x as second function. So apply product rule and cross multiplication of y. So dy by dx is equal to y. Now apply formula. First function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Clear? So dy by dx is equal to y. As it is, in next step we have to put the value of y. See here, we don't know the differentiation of log cos x, so we have to take cos x as t. Log t. Differentiation of log t, 1 upon t into d by dx differentiation of t, that means cos x, plus differentiation of x is 1, so we have only log cos x. Clear? Now differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So dy by dx is equal to, now put the value of y. Yes, y is cos x raised to x. Now we have minus sin x upon cos x into x plus log of cos x. Now we know that sin x upon cos x is tan x, and first we write this term. Clear? So dy by dx is equal to cos x raised to cos x log cos x minus x tan x. Clear? So differentiation of cos x raised to cos x is cos x raised to x, cos x raised to x, sorry, cos x raised to x, cos x raised to x log cos x minus x tan x. ठीक, क्या किए बेटा इसमें? सबसे पहले y लिए, फिर log लिए, फिर अप्लाई ऑफ लॉ ऑफ log m रेज टू n log m, और फिर इसमें दो फंक्शन आ गए, तो इसमें क्या लगाएंगे हम? प्रोडक्ट रूल, फर्स्ट फंक्शन और ये क्या है पूरा सेकेंड फंक्शन, लगाया फॉर्मूला, और फिर यहाँ पे बाहर में y की वैल्यू रखा cos x रेज टू x. सो वी कैन गेट द आंसर. क्लियर? नाउ एनी डाउट बेटा? I think there is no doubt about this question. Now we will see next question. Next question is sin x raised to log x. Question number 3, sin x raised to log x. Okay. Again see, the question is related to variable raised to variable. So let y is equal to sin x raised to log x. It means variable raised to variable. So taking log on both the side, taking log on both the side. Clear? So log y is equal to log sin x raised to log x. Log sin x raised to log x. So log m raised to n. Log m raised to n. Log m raised to n is equal to n log m. So log x log sin x. Now there are two terms which are in product form. So we have to apply product formula for differentiation. So differentiation with respect to x. Now differentiation of log y. Differentiation of log y with respect to x is 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to d upon dx log x log sin x. Clear? So log x is first function and log sin x is second function. 1 upon y dy by dx. So the first function is log x, differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Clear? Now cross multiplication. So dy by dx is equal to y in bracket log x. Now we don't know the differentiation of log sin x. Clear? But we know the differentiation of log x. For this, take sin x as t. So we have log t. Now differentiation of log t with respect to t. 1 upon t. So 1 upon t means 1 upon sin x into differentiation of t means sin x. sin x को t लिए थे ना, log t 1 upon t d by dx, t means sin x plus, now differentiation of log x is 1 upon x into log of sin x. Clear? Now differentiation of sin x is cos x. So dy by dx is equal to y cos x, first write log x into differentiation of sin x is cos x upon sin x plus 1 upon x log of sin x. Now we know that cos x upon sin x, cos x upon sin x, cot x. So put the value of y. The value of y is sin x raised to log x in bracket log x into cot x plus 1 upon x log of sin x. So this is the answer. Clear? क्या किए बेटा, sin x रेज टू log x था, तो टेकिंग log, सबसे पहले क्या करना बेटा, उस फंक्शन को y लेना ताकि हम log ले सकें. log कब लेना है, जब हमें टू साइड से, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और ये राइट हैंड साइड, log y, फिर उसका पावर कहाँ जाएगी, सामने, और उसके बाद फिर इसमें क्या लगाएंगे, डिफरेंशिएशन के लिए प्रोडक्ट रूल, और प्रोडक्ट रूल लगाने के बाद लास्ट में y का वैल्यू रख देंगे. ठीक है, देन वी शुड गेट द आंसर. ठीक, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Now the next question is cos x raised to tan inverse x, inverse function. Okay, cos x, question number 4, cos x raised to tan inverse x, right? So this is variable and this one is also variable. Clear? So variable raised to variable means we have to, this is logarithmic function, logarithmic differentiation. The question is related to logarithmic differentiation. So y is equal to cos x raised to tan inverse x, right? Now taking log on both the side. So log y is equal to log cos x raised to tan inverse x, log cos x raised to tan inverse x, log m raised to n, log m raised to n, and log m, and log m. Now we have to differentiate. So differentiation with respect to x, differentiation with respect to x. Now we have to differentiate. Now differentiation of log y with respect to x, 1 upon y dy by dx, 1 upon y dy by dx, d upon dx in bracket tan inverse x log cos x, tan inverse x log cos x. Now tan inverse x is first function and log cos x is second function. 1 upon y dy by dx as it is. Now apply the formula. First function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Differentiation of first function. Cross multiplication. So dy by dx is equal to y tan inverse x. Now we don't know the differentiation of log cos x, but we know the differentiation of log x, which is 1 by x. So we had to convert log cos x in the form of log t. So take cos x as t, log t. Now differentiation of log t with respect to t is 1 upon t. T means cos x into d by dx cos x plus log of cos x. Differentiation of tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square. 1 upon 1 plus x square. Clear? So dy by dx is equal to, now the value of y as it is. In next step we put differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So tan inverse x into minus sin x upon cos x plus log cos x into 1 upon 1 plus x square. You can write also log cos x upon 1 plus x square. Now sin x upon cos x, tan x, and this is negative sign. So first write this term and put the value of y. So dy by dx is equal to y cos x raised to tan inverse x. Clear? Now first write this term log cos x upon 1 plus x square minus plus minus minus sin x upon cos x tan x into tan inverse x. So this is the differentiation of cos x raised to tan inverse x. Okay. So we saw logarithmic differentiation in two types. One is the function is in the form of fx raised to fx. That means base is same, power is also same. Clear? And in second type of question, fx raised to gx. That means fx is first function or other function and gx is another function. Okay, clear? So they are different but the method is same. What is the method? Take that function as y and taking log on both the side. Then apply law of log m raised to n log m, and then differentiate, right? In left hand side always we have log y. So differentiation of log y with respect to x is 1 upon y dy by dx. And in right hand side always we have to apply product rule. So this is the method for logarithmic differentiation. Okay. In next video we will see some more questions regarding logarithmic differentiation. Clear? Thank you.